You did not say keep the chain.
It was already loose. Why?
I drink milk.
Oh, here goes the fun part.
Surprisingly loose.
Nah, they don't get torqued that high.
Is that lubricated or just fucking stinky garbage?
I put it so close.
Put it on the fucking table. Make a pile.
No, this needs to get cleaned out for like the actual rotating.
It's the one with RTV. What the fuck?
Oh no.
What?
Did he RTV the whole hole? Did he put RTV in the entire hole and that's just what it looks like afterward?
I think I was right. I think I'm gonna be right with those seals.
There's no washer.
There is?
There's no washer. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Vomited on.
Boy. Probably don't want to twist it too much with the gear still in.
He's coming. Whoa. These seals look new. They are new.
Wow.
What the fuck? These are Atkins. Atkins square cut corner seals. Hold this side up, like right here, so it doesn't go back down when I pop it. Okay, we're going somewhere. All right. Oh my God. Just flip it.
Holy shit. It's dark. That's been in there a while. Or it wasn't ever cleaned. Ah, shit.
I mean,
Nah. That looks
No,
rough.
it's just sat in there with water.
that
yeah.
looks rough over there.
okay, what? They are single piece. They are single piece.
That's great news.
Yeah.
That's great news.
great news.
Yeah, that's great news. These aren't Atkins single piece though.
This one's a little.
No, that's just the corner
Yeah,
tip.
that's how it do.
But this is actually really good news.
Yeah.
I'm still looking at the poop.
So as long as we can make the poop, and then the fact that like it's not like in here, like it's not coolant in here, just tells me that at least this is.
Is this what type of
Just
rotor? It's
dirty.
an S rotor.
Oh yeah, that's the weight. You can only tell what type it is series by looking at the pocket. Take
A
a
lot of
picture.
carbon
Please.
on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did not clean this.
That's a big port.
That's
a monster port. Holy shit.
It looks not bad though.
Yeah,
I
that's
mean,
fine.
It's alright. Like
It's just huge.
this curve right here kind of sucks. You're supposed to cut them square. This
Yeah.
is like.
I mean, I guess it's not gonna hurt anything. It's just reducing. It's not optimal.
I mean,
You know, it's not a wide.
as
shape
long
all
as
the
they're
way
all
out.
kind of the same, I'm not.
Yeah.
But I might be asking for a lot. These aren't
Yeah.
coming out.
I just got.
Seal on the foot.
I've been struck.
Like the corner hit David.
It's over.
Yeah. Is it?
Ooh.
Ooh. I feel like these are really thick for some reason.
They just cut them out.
It's like curled over. The lip is curled over. But I guess
It's fine. Alright, move David. I feel like these are like 3 mil.
yeah,
They feel fucking huge.
I think so. But only the top part works.
Your phone
But
broke.
yeah.
How did you even get to
So
that?
I lifted the diff out of the car. I had my phone in my pocket, and
It
one of the
already
axle
cleaned the
stubs
victim?
like went into it and just pushed a hole in it.
God.
It already cleaned
But as you can see here, that is 3 millimeter.
Oh god. This fucking gasket.
Is that an exhaust gasket that you're fighting?
Yes.
Yeah, this is like ultra gasket though.
That's like the thickest exhaust gasket I've seen. The fuck?
Got snips.
Nah, fuck that. Pull that off.
Oh, can we use it later?
I can use it later. I'm Puerto Rican. I need to save all the money I can, but then spend $600 having my rotors machine for $3 mil. Because why not? This tool was garbage, dude.
The chrome is in good shape, though.
Flame tune. No, actually,
Oh,
Oh, maybe on the inside there.
it's not.
kidding.
No, but
Fucking
there's no, like,
flame
No, I'm
tune.
talking. I want to see. You want to
Carve
take
it
this
out.
off?
Maybe it would.
The-
I don't know.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
I got bolt for that.
Stupid.
fucking excellent, because that's just
Me when I.
me when I apex my rotary. Take a picture of this, like the whole thing, so I can ask Kevin, like, yo, bro, what the fuck is going on here? Is this like? And then just take a picture of these two. Like,
Holy shit. Hold it.
what is going on?
Oh, wait, I could do it on the other one.
Yeah.
You could use the dowels and the fucking. I don't think you should. But you could.
Oh,
Holy
Poop.
shit.
straight up. Straight up.
No,
poop.
you don't want to touch that.
That's what,
What
poop
in the
Wow, that is-
fuck
that
is
is-
that?
That's goopy. Yo, these are new, bro. These are literally brand new. This shit. Somebody assembled this motor and it sat. Maybe ran it a couple times, but it's. We can reuse these. We can't reuse these. Is
What's
that a napkin?
There's a napkin in
Oh
there.
no, it's not.
No.
Yo, what is that? It's stalagmite.
It's alive.
It's stalactite.
Stalactite.
Oh.
Yeah, that's just like smeary shit.
Oh my god.
Yo, what? Straight up cat food in there.
Oh, that chrome is a little.
That's definitely for race use only.
Yeah.
It's not. I mean, it's. Mine has a little worse edge
You
wear.
could probably. Yeah, you could probably get away with it.
Yeah, no, you're.
But-
This is usable.
Don't have high expectations.
Nah, this is for the drift application we're thinking about.
Yeah, okay.
We don't expect it to go past 20. This.
How's the bearing?
Honestly, it's new-ish.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's has marks that it sat for a long ass time.
Oh. Got some hidden.
Some Scotch.
I Scotch Brite that and reuse it.
I don't know about Scotch right.
For a drift car.
Yeah.
Let's take a picture of this port, please. I can send it to Kevin what he thinks about the kidney port.
What do you mean? That's like
This
street,
is awful.
Well, so
Bridgeport, Kidneyport.
This is pretty bad.
no, because you want it to be like
Of
come
course.
out more and then go down. Because as the rotor sweeps, you're kind of like closing this smaller and smaller.
They call these side seal munchers because they catch a side seal.
That too.
Oh, look, they nicked it right there.
Yeah.
And they didn't even blend this right. What is this? Look at this lip that it has here. VG30 mod.
They probably didn't. I mean, they definitely didn't clean this before putting it back together.
Oi,
There might have just been
papi.
some shit in there.
Semblem el motor. Right here is a little classic. So, holding this motherfucker up now. Most
That guy's there to help.
He's too.
Go up. I think the E shift.
Nah, it's this. It's just side towel.
Okay.
Oh, literally every bug that could have been outside is now inside.
It's a lot easier with 2 people, huh? It's a lot easier with 2 people.
Wait, hold.
Phil, hello darkness, mild friend. Building a rotary by himself.
Put it down for now.
Is it supposed to be like that?
Yes, there's corners.
Oh,
There's another one now.
that's a development.
Here, take this picture now.
Oh my god. Never stops. It never stops.
Why is that like that? That shit, that's some alien shit.
Alright, this.
Fuck that garbage.
You get your ricotta cheese.
How
you
does
get your
that look?
Doritos.
Oh.
Has a little small lip on it. Not like lip, it's just barely visible,
Kinda
feelable.
fun, though.
Can't catch my nail on it, so it's in the reusable condition if you want to be ghetto. I'm gonna say no.
The port?
Flip it back.
Is that the same port?
Flip it back. Flip it back.
No way.
No, it's that's
Wait,
it's
no,
supposed to be
fine.
different.
That's
That's
like
fine.
secondary versus primary.
Yeah. Okay. So here.
But I feel like they're not.
This is definitely the worst. This belongs in the junkyard. Like there's no sugarcoating it.
Nah.
These Apex will hit it anyway.
There's a corner seal down, a corner spring down there.
Yeah, like these.
What corner spring is this? Let me see.
Looks like
Beat.
I think that's OEM.
it's modified OEM if anything.
Yeah, it looks shorter almost.
You can see like these just are hard as hell.
Yeah.
Is this normal?
Yeah.
There's the chrome here. It looks better on this.
Oh no.
The crack?
Yeah.
Ah,
bad is
shit.
This one's not. Oh, this one's starting to crack too.
Hold up. Can I have the light?
Yeah.
That one's worse than
Kind of
this one.
like splitting on either end here.
That's from oil tight.
You're not going to see that on the camera.
Tended to put oil in it at least.
Yeah, that
Excuse me?
alright. Not bad.
Frog
That
people.
works.
Is it? So the housings are beat.
They're reusable, but like, it's not. That's normal. This is a.
It's pretty. Oh, wait, hold up.
Huh.
Okay, that's just smudge.
Like they're usable, just don't expect them to go far. And then Mazda actually in like the OEM rebuild manual, they have a specified how big the crack can be for reusing. So they know it happens. And they're like, yeah, if it's this big, you'll probably be okay. Oh my god, this is the worst edge wear I have ever felt in my life.
Oh my god!
That's a fucking bridge,
You gotta
dude.
feel that.
What the fuck? It's a valley and then there's a wall.
More.
Isn't
So at
that
least you
it?
don't have to get the water pump housing off now.
Oh yeah, it's still attached.
At this point, we're... It just keeps coming on me. I don't, nah.
That ain't happening.
That's it. That thing.
It's cooked. Put a fork
It's
in
well
it.
done.
She's cooked.
Do you guys have any closing statements?
I fucking hate Puerto Ricans. I don't care if you think it's racist. Puerto Ricans are good people. Rotary Puerto Ricans, stop touching motors. Unless you know what you're doing, stop it. Get some help, please.
I had low expectations, but those were shattered.
The bar was so low, and they managed to dig it underground.
Honestly, I was surprised at. I thought it would be worse. I thought
You
not.
can't really get much worse than this other than
look,
complete
they
fines.
had
Yeah.
4 dowels between the front, 4 dowels on the front, 3 in the rear. RTV instead of the washer in the rear bolts.
Yeah, I guess this is pretty fucked.
This, yeah.
This was one of the motors of all time. Give him his brownie points.
You found the kit?
Yep.
And it's an Atkins rotary?
Yep.
Fill one.